Hey everyone, welcome to TCB. This is part 3 of Tekla structure construction point tutorial playlist. We can also increase or decrease the size of the point as per the requirement of the user. For that, let's close all the unnecessary views and just open the 3D view. Here we have the points already placed. Double click and view property. Go to the display and go to the advanced option. Here you can see point size. Right now in the view it is 100. That's the reason it is very small in the size. So let's increase it 500 and Alt M to modify that. Here you can see the size of the points has been increased and just check in the 3D. So here you can see in the view it's represented by the cross lines and just change it in the model and modify. So in the model view, this point is coming as in 3D cubes. Okay. So this is how you can change the size and the display style of the point with the advanced option. So that's it in this presentation. For the continuation, please check my next tutorial. Links are provided on the description. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the listening. Have a nice day.